The things we do in life create who we are. The choices you make up until this point have made you who you are. Not everything in your life is something that is when, oh, this is going to change me or this is going to create the life that I want. But you have to understand, every decision you make is either taking you where you want to go or it's just a sidestep. Life's too short to be making those type of mistakes. You've got to sharpen up where you're going. We have to go out there and make decisions, take chances and live life. If I didn't go through what I've went through in my life, then I wouldn't have gotten to this stage. I wouldn't have made the decisions I've made to go, that's where I want to go, that's where I don't want to go. I like this, I don't like that. I did enjoy that, it was fulfilling, but unfortunately I just don't enjoy it anymore. You don't get to those stages and say, well, I'm just going to stick to it, or life's boring, I'm going to give up. You make a different direction, you make a different choice. You say, I'm going to change it up, I'm going to try something new. Many times in life you're going to make decisions, they're boring. Sometimes they're going to be bad, but guess what? If you've made a bad decision, you did better than the person who didn't make any. And then you can have the opportunity to say, look, I'm going to do something different, I'm going to do something better. As you go for that, you'll be able to really find the direction you want to go in.